Woman crawls through 300 feet of feces, bugs to rescue kitten stuck in sewer. The Pawshank Redemption. Why would a storm drain have feces in it? That's not municipal waste lines, it's water displacement management, aka storm drain. I came here exactly for the Shawshank Redemption references. Not that her efforts aren't impressive. But it's a stormwater drain, not a sewer. She didn't crawl through feces, she crawled through fetid water. I would like to think I would be capable of doing that. But I don't know. Props to her. I just came to see a Shawshank Redemption reference. I leave satisfied. A lot of respect for her. I could see myself also doing that, but it's a horrifying thought as to the smell.